Hey, Dane, how do you clean a CBN wheel? I've never heard how.
There's a
Dish detergent,
posting on the
dish-
Woodturners Wonders about how he does a video on how to clean
Yes.
one.
Yeah, so
It's
Ken
real
Rich
tutorial.
Woodturnerswonders.com. He's got a great YouTube video on it. The Cliff Notes version is use water and dish detergent and a brass brush
Okay.
or a toothbrush to clean the pores. And it's an arduous task, but can it be done? Absolutely. But if you're not getting it all clogged up with soft metals, you shouldn't have to clean it.
I think he used PV Blaster.
PV Blaster is also
Yeah.
used as well. A
Yeah.
non-oil type
Yeah,
solution.
what do you mean?
Don't
At
use
the AAW,
WD-40.
he told me even something was WD-40, but PV Blaster is better.
Yeah, you don't want to use
Yeah.
WD-40 on a CBN wheel. You're asking
Oh,
for
he said
stuff
you could.
attracted to it. Really?
Yep, he said use it. Use a brush, spray it with
Because
the
his video.
WD-40.
Okay, so he's changed his stance on because his video doesn't recommend it